Can you delay Medicare, or could that decision end up costing you for the rest of your life? This is one of the most important questions I get here in the Rio Grande Valley. Hi, I'm Antonio Espino. The answer to can I delay Medicare is it depends on your specific situation. Some people can delay Medicare without any problems, but others are actually required to enroll or face penalties. You may be able to delay Medicare if you are still working and have employer health insurance that qualifies. This usually applies when your employer coverage meets specific Medicare guidelines for being creditable. Generally, if your company has 20 or more employees, your group coverage is considered primary to Medicare. But if you work for a small business with fewer than 20 people, you usually need to sign up for Medicare right away. In those cases, Medicare is supposed to be your primary insurance and your employer plan only pays second. This is where many people in our community make costly mistakes without even realizing it until it's too late. A very common trap is COBRA coverage. Many people think COBRA allows them to delay Part B, but according to the 2026 Medicare Handbook, COBRA is not considered coverage based on current employment. The same applies to retiree health plans. They usually require you to have Medicare to work correctly. If you delay incorrectly, you face the Part B late enrollment penalty, and this is a big one. Your monthly premium goes up 10% for every full 12-month period. You could have had Part B but didn't, and unlike some other penalties, this one follows you for life. You'll pay that higher rate as long as you have Medicare. Beyond the money, you also risk having major gaps in your health coverage when you need it most. Now, the good news is that if you delay Medicare the right way, you can enroll later without any penalties. You typically get an 8-month special enrollment period that begins the month after your employment or coverage ends. But I always recommend planning at least 3 months before you retire to ensure a smooth transition. Here in Brownsville, Harlingen, and McAllen, I help many families review their unique situations. Our goal is to make sure you're making the right decision before you decide to delay Medicare. And remember, my consultations are always free. I'm here to help our community save money and stay covered. We'll look at your doctor networks, your prescription costs, and any Part B premium reductions you might qualify for. If you're not sure whether you should delay Medicare, I can help you review your situation at no cost. Call me today at 956-455-1313 or visit my website to schedule your free consultation. If you live in the RGV and want weekly updates about Medicare changes that could affect your benefits, please subscribe so you don't miss anything. I'm Antonio Espino, and I look forward to helping you navigate your Medicare journey with confidence.